traveling all over the country, so it's nice once in a while to be able to stop and wash down the 67. So here I am at San Antonio, Texas, and you know, the only food I've ever got at a car wash has come out of a vending machine. So you gotta know I was totally blown away to find out connected to this car wash is a totally legit restaurant called the Cove.
I'll go ahead and take a lamb burger. Can I get the fish taco?
Order up.
Food is organic and it's fresh.
Spinach salad and seafood sampler.
You wouldn't expect something like this at a place like this.
It's a car wash. Oh yeah, and a laundromat. In the middle is a full-blown restaurant.
It's a little funky.
It's awful good. Lisa Avestas.
What are you gonna have?
And her husband, Sam.
There you go.
Started out serving sandwiches.
I always wanted to do more. I was like, can I have a grill? And then Sam would put in a grill. Can I have a griddle?
Then they started adding cooks.
Paper down.
And ended up with a CIA-trained chef. That's Michael Sohaki, who was looking to build a menu he could have some fun with. Wow, look at the smoke coming out of that.
And then before we knew it, we had a full restaurant.
Heavy on fresh, organic, and homemade. From scratch-made Moroccan sweet potato salad. Wow, that's dynamite.
Quesadillas up.
To veggie quesadillas with portobello mushrooms and organic spinach.
It's got a nice kick.
And this crowd favorite.
Lamb burger?
The lamb burger, man. It's awesome.
Just the right amount of spice.
Cumin, coriander, whole black pepper.
Right. Always start with the whole seed because I want the smoky taste inside the meat. And then
That's sweet.
fills the whole kitchen with the smell of the roasting spices.
Season wizard.
I put this inside the lamb,
This is exactly what I expected when I drove up to wash the 67.
chopped fresh garlic,
Just a touch of cayenne.
just a little bit of heat. This is kosher salt.
Okay, so we've got that all mixed up.
Yeah. Take a patty, about 5.5 ounces.
So while that's grilling, we're gonna make the sauce.
Right.
Ancho, pasilla, and puya, the puya pepper. We're gonna puya over to the beer counter to get another one.
Lime juice, olive oil.
There you go.
Have a whole clove of garlic, a tablespoon of kosher salt, some sour cream,
On control.
and then I finish it just a little bit of heavy cream.
To kind of give it a nice silkiness. Smooth. Right. That's not as hot as I thought it was gonna be. Nice grill marks on that.
That's what I like too.
Wish you would have made yourself one. This is the ciabatta roll. We're gonna throw this on the grill and warm it up.
Absolutely.
Is it ready?
Still nice and juicy inside.
Oh yeah. Better love that sauce. Okay.
It's got so much flavor. The cheese is cotija,
Tortilla.
Mexico's answer to feta.
Right.
Use it like a seasoning for that bad boy. And then I put sliced red onion and lots of tomato. Juicy, juicy, juicy.
Baby greens. 1/2.
Please.
Your kitchen. Take a looky-loo at that. Wow. That's like a milkshake in a bun, man. Oh. That's not gonna cut it. I need like a blanket. Some of the best lamb burger I've ever had. At a car wash? Nuts.
It's just the basics, but we're gonna use the good oils, the good herbs, the good spices. Our produce is organic when we can get it, and locally grown we can get it. Our meats are grass-fed meat.
What was the first out-of-the-box item?
The fish taco.
Lisa's original recipe.
I got hooked on the fish tacos, and I got hooked on San Melissa.
Homemade coleslaw, our poblano sauce across the top. What do you think?
I think I shouldn't have given you the other half.
It's extremely fresh.
Excellent.
Portobello spinach quesadilla.
Very good. Very delicious.
We're gonna make a marinade for our portobellos. Balsamic vinegar, with extra virgin olive oil. We wanna emulsify this first.
together.
Right. Fresh ground peppercorn, fresh garlic.
Okay.
Gotta have that. Salt, herbs de Provence.
Wait. That might be one of the first times I've ever seen herbs de Provence brought into play. Savory thyme, rosemary, basil, tarragon, and lavender flowers. I had lavender flower. I mean, that's... Look at that.
We're gonna pour that
That's
all
like
in
a
there.
savory syrup.
Taste it. We use our hands. We wanna coat them really good. Throw them on the grill. About 20 minutes. Okay, well, we can make the poblano sauce.
Poblanos and serranos?
Serranos.
Get the majority of the skin off, get the seeds out, don't wash it down in the water.
We're gonna add our yogurt. Good for you. Mayonnaise
Sour
and
cream?
sour cream. Some salt, fresh ground pepper.
Did you grind that pepper too?
Yes, we did.
Oh.
Grind all our pepper.
A little bit of heat. Nice big, a lot of heat. You're gonna fiddle with the griddle.
We're gonna fiddle with the griddle. Okay, whole grain tortilla, made locally. Take our portobello mushroom, slice it up
On the flat top or on the tortilla?
on the flat top. There you go. Now we wanna add our red onions.
Yep.
That's plenty. Organic spinach, all of the spinach.
All of the
Yeah, it's gonna shrink a lot. Flop the tortilla.
There we go.
Nice and toasty. I'm gonna cover this for just a second.
To wilt that spinach a
Yeah,
little
wilt the
bit.
spinach.
You got a little water
A little bit
to
of
that?
water, a little bit of water. Okay, this is ready. Cheese.
Now, hey, cheese.
Cheese. Need the cheese. Okay.
What kind of cheese we got?
Jack.
My mom and my sister are going nuts right now watching this. Look at the size of this thing.
Fold it over. Some sauce.
The
and our
Cular
sauce.
Poblano Serrano sauce.
There you go. You're ready.
That's good. I already feel healthier.
You look healthy.
Keep the car. I'm gonna walk the States. That sauce fits it perfectly. Wow, that's good. I would have the cleanest car in San Antonio if I knew this was here.
It's got some spice to it.
It takes a Tex-Mex basic to makes it something different.
Different, you think?
It's one of the places you want to bring your friends because it's just so weird and so crazy. Moroccan potato salad.
Kind of a secret gem place that we have in our city.
Shrimp taco, it's just all come together. When you have a passion for something and you work hard at it, it kind of works out.
The only thing that I don't like about this is that it's all gone.
I'll make another one.
All right, I'm happy.